Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a corpse bride with a butterfly theme. Enjoy! Right, so I have already prepped these. I'm going to go in with the No Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. Just dehydrate the nail beds. So these are going to be on natural nails and you can see when they mat up that they're ready to go in with a base coat. So I'm using the Urban Graffiti base coat. Push up towards the cuticle, just pulling the skin away and capping the free edge. And then pop them under for a minute, please. So I'm going in with Submerge, which is this really nice, like pearly blue. I'm going to use that as the base for all of my design. So again, just reapplying it exactly like I did with the base coat. So pushing up towards the cuticle, down the free edge, and then capping. I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Pop that under for 30 seconds, please. Going over my second coat of Submerge. I don't know how I've never spotted this colour before. Like I've been here how many times and never spotted this blue. Let's pop them under another 30 seconds, please. So I'm just cleaning my brush with the No Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution because I've obviously not cleaned this before and I've now got pink everywhere. Give it a good clean. There we go. And I'm now going to use these really cute butterflies. I'm just going to lay them into some top coat. Oh, these are so sparkly. Right, so I've got a little bit of top coat on my palette. Just dip it in. And I'm just going to use it like glue, basically. Yeah. I'm going to do the bride on that one. A butterfly on this one. So I'm going to put another little butterfly on here. This one is going to be my butterfly. So I'm going to start off, I think, got Summer Sky, The Doctor, Royal Blood and Ocean Ridge. Right, so with the lightest blue, I'm going to start with the wings. I want to do like an ombre, like a fade through the wings. And then just using the gel residue wipe off to clean my brush. We don't need loads of colour. Okay, we need the darker one. And I'm not curing because I just want to be able to blend the colours through. And just the smallest amounts, just like dabbing it on. And the darker one again. You don't need a perfect like outline because I'm going to go through with Serious Black later and add more detail. So this is just to fade through the colours. Pretty happy with the fade on that. Remember, these two are still wet, so we're going to pop them all into the lamp for 30 seconds, please. And pop some Serious Black onto my palette. Okay, and just dipping in. And I roll the brush when I dip it, so it keeps the point sharp. Just using the very tip of the brush. All around. And then I want this bit to be thicker, so I'll press down a little bit more and then just slowly bring it around again. Same with this. Press it down and let go. Tiny head. And then go in and do this little belly. Press down, let go, press down, let go. Just going to go in and add a little bit more detail and do like some like veins in his wings. I'm not picking up any extra polish, I'm just kind of dragging through And I've gone for this blue theme because I think it'd go really well with like winter and like just the whole theme of the bride's corpse. I like it being quite like blue and coldy. Right. Pop that under, just 30 seconds please. So I've put a little bit of Snow White onto my palette. Again, just gonna put some tiny little dots, tiny bits of detail. And you don't need to do too much detail because sometimes too much is too much. Which I never thought I'd ever say, but just a little bit of detail. And then what I'm going to do is top coat these two to make sure that those butterflies are going to be stuck in the design. Pop that under, 30 seconds please. So now I'm going to do the bride. So I'll be flash colouring these for like 10 seconds at a time. I have got a picture for reference as well on my phone. I'm not amazing in remembering what all the characters look like. I've gone in with Snow White and I'll be just adding little bits of blue. And that was Summer Sky. And how I do my drawings is literally layering on layering. So this is just going to be a face, and then I'll go in with like eyes and mouth and detail later on. Let's pop that in for a quick 10 seconds. Thank you. Right, just doing her eyes. So I've only used Snow White for her eyes. It's definitely that like classic Tim Burton because her eyes are huge. Mixing a little bit, get a little bit highlight for her nose. And then our lips are going to go there. Clean my brush off. And what I do is I put the colour on and then I'll wipe my brush off so there's nothing on it but gel residue. And then you can just kind of blend it through so it's not such a solid line. It just gives it a little bit of like texture, a little bit of depth to the drawings. It's just how I do it. So I'm quite happy with that. So flash that again for another 10 please. Right, so I'm pretty happy with how her face looks. It's kind of alienish at the moment, but I'm sure I'll be able to pull it off. So I'm going in with the darkest of the blue, which is Ocean Ridge. I'm just going to start marking where her hair is. Adding a little bit of the black through it. It's like kind of marbling it through. Cleaning off my brush. Again, in with serious black. Go around her eyes. I've literally got no product on here. I'm just marking where I want my eyelashes to go. And once I'm happy, I can go in and just add a bit more. Like layer it on. Seems she's a corpse. She is meant to have like quite dark eyes. Reload my brush. Do pupils. I always think my characters look really weird before I actually pop in the pupils of their eyes. They always look a bit mad. It's scary. Right, so I'm going in with Cabernet, which is like a burgundy. It's just for her lips. I think it'd go really, oh yeah, I'm happy with that with the blue in the background. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Looks better than I thought. Yeah, I'm not curing it, I'm just adding a little bit of black, swirling in a bit more of the colours together. So we can do a full cure for that, so we'll do 30 seconds, please. Right, so now I'm happy I'm so happy with her. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat, seal these in. I've already done that, so it's literally just her. Gonna pop them in for 1 minute, please. Right, so now these are all set. I'm gonna go in with the nails, cuticle oil, and I've picked up vanilla. Just to rehydrate all those cuticles. Oh, it smells amazing. So there's my Corpse Bride design with a like blue rainbow ombre butterfly, which I think that just looked really nice on just a random design without her. But I had to have a character. I love him. Good. So this is my finished design and I hope you enjoyed it. All the products are listed below. Give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, drop us some comments below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you next time. Bye!